Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm gonna talk about what the benefits and reward offered by Maybank credit cards. So as they offer different types of credit card, and the benefits as well as the rewards also differ. So to understand, you have to go ahead and compare the cards accordingly. So you could go to this page and compare one after the another. So go to maybanktoyou.com.mymaybank/Malaysia. That's gonna take you to this field where you could go ahead and read about this in details. So this way you'll be able to know about the benefits and then the reward offered by a Maybank credit card. So basically you could click on add to compare, and this is gonna automatically generate. So you just go ahead and click on that, and next thing you want to do is select the other one, and you'll be able to compare each one of it, and this way you could go ahead and look for the benefits and reward offered by the Maybank credit card. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.